One-way switch, two-way switch, bell switch, two-pin socket, three-pin socket, five-pin socket, multi-pin socket, TV socket, double USB port, fan regulator, hanging switch, main switch, ceiling rods, KitKat fuse, modular fuse, two-pin plug top, three-pin plug top, two plug pin male female, conduit flexible pipe, PVC rigid pipe, PVC elbow, T, four-way cross box, bent pipe, corner T, three-way through box, four-way corner elbow, concealed box, wooden switchboard, LED bulb, rechargeable LED bulb, LED tube light, spectrum night lamp, night LED lamp, main switchboard, bulb holder, hanging holder, baton holder, indicator, DP switch, extension box, one pole MCB, two pole MCB, insulation tape, heat shrink sleeve tube, line tester, digital tester, plier, wired door chim, wire stripper cutter, three-phase main switch, mini hacksaw, wire connector, digital meter,